Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 4? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mrs. Nola, with the subject of English grammar. Today we are going to do a couple of exercises about simple and compound sentences and conjunctions. These two exercises are available on page 11 and page 12 of your English grammar book. These are the two main objectives for our today's online lecture. The students will learn the difference between simple and compound sentences. Also, they will understand how the conjunctions are used to get compound sentences. Now we are moving towards the solution of exercise on page number 11 here. Before we solve the exercise, it's better to have a brief introduction of the question and topic. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. A simple sentence has one independent clause. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses. Yes, my dear students, whenever there will be two independent clauses and you are going to merge them, so what do you need? You need a suitable conjunction in order to join or combine two independent clauses. So when you combine or mix two independent clauses with the help of a conjunction, ultimately you will get a compound sentence here. Read each sentence on the lines provided. Write simple if it has one independent clause. Write compound if it has two or more independent clauses. Number 1. I wanted to go to the concert but my parents would not let me. Now it is a compound sentence because two independent clauses. Number 1, I wanted to go to the concert. Number 2, my parents would not let me. These two independent clauses have been joined into a compound sentence with the help of this conjunction but. Number 2, Mrs. Gupta lives on a very busy road in the middle of the city. It is simple. Number 3, he got a hot dog, she got a hamburger, and you got a salad. That's a compound sentence. Number 4 on page number 11. Can we go to the movies later this evening? My dear students, it is a simple sentence, so just write simple on the line. Number 5. There are too many stars in the sky to count all of them. It is a simple sentence. Number 6. The little puppy was adopted quickly for it was very sweet. Now it is a compound sentence. Number 7. The balloons drifted up into the fluffy clouds above. Now it is a simple sentence. Number 8. We left early yet the traffic on the highway still made us late. Now it is a compound sentence. Number 9. Do you want to read a book or would you like to take a walk? Now it is a compound sentence because two independent clauses have been merged into a compound sentence with the help of conjunction or. And the last one on page 11. My cousin thinks he was lucky to get into his favorite college. Now it is a simple sentence. So far we have done our page number 11. Now it's turn for page number 12. A clause has a subject and a verb. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. A simple sentence has one independent clause. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses. Independent clauses in a compound sentence are usually joined by a coordinating conjunction such as and, but, or, for, nor, or yet. So these words and, but, or, for, nor, yet are called coordinating conjunctions because these join two independent clauses to make a new compound sentence here. Read each sentence, circle the coordinating conjunction that best completes the sentence and write it on the line provided. On page number 12, we have got 10 questions. For each question, we have got two conjunction. One is wrong, the other will be correct. So we are going to circle the suitable and correct conjunction and ignore the remaining one. Number 1, we can go to Florida for vacation or we can visit California. So not only you will circle or also write the same correct conjunction on the line here. Number 2, my sister asked me to go with her but I didn't want to. Number 3, I brought a stool into the kitchen for I could not reach the cabinet. Number 4, the ostrich has feathers and wings, yet this bird cannot fly. Number 5, Hallie is good at math, but Raul is better at science. Number 6, she got home late from work and we asked if she was tired. Number 7. They didn't see the solar eclipse nor did they see the comet. Number 8. Firefighters put their lives at risk for they take important safety measures. Number 9. The dog ate his biscuit and a squirrel stole the treat. And the last one on page 12. Summer is almost over and school will begin soon. So far we have done our two exercises on page number 11 and 12. These two exercises are about simple and compound sentences and conjunctions. I hope you will have done a very good work in your respective writing task. Thank you very much for attending this online lecture. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.